Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change default app settings on your Android device. This is a simple way to control which apps open by default for certain actions, like browsing the internet, sending messages, or playing media. Open the Settings app. This is the main hub for managing all your system settings and installed applications. Next, scroll down and see Apps or Applications. Tap on it to access the full list of apps installed on your device. Next, see the Default Apps option and tap to open it. Here you'll see all the categories where a default app can be assigned, such as your browser, messaging app, phone app, or even the launcher. To change a default app, select the category you want to update. For example, tap the messaging app, then choose the app you want to set as your default. Do the same for your browser app. Tap the browser category, pick the app you prefer, and confirm your choice. Once set, Android will always use this app for the selected action, making your device more personalized and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. With these simple tips, managing your apps and optimizing your Android phone has never been easier.